Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I am here to give you a park review of this park right there, Willow Springs. We're here in Raton, maybe it's Raton, R-A-T-O-N, New Mexico. We are way up on I-25 and way up north toward the border. We're almost into Colorado. But I want to show you what this park here is about, show you some pros and cons, some things I think about it. We're actually only here for one night, but I think I got a pretty good lay of the land. So come on with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life Park Review Edition. And this is behind the office. They have codes to get in here. They don't have a code to get into the main park, but they have a code to get here in the laundry room. I'm sure it changes monthly. Looks like they got 2 washers and 2 dryers. Ooh, $1.75 and only 75 cents. That's a bargain. I actually haven't seen it that low ever in an RV park. Well, maybe for several years. So let's check out the rest of the park a little bit. It's like some short parking spaces here. Maybe these are for tent campers or something. I don't know. There's a shed out that way. There's some full-timers. I know they got a park host here now, and it opens for their season tomorrow, actually, May 1st. So here's the men's restroom. No one's in here now, so I'll take you a quick walk through. Ooh, let's turn the lights on. So we've got sinks, urinal, everything's in, well, decent shape. It's in good condition. Showers look relatively new. Handicap, nice. Interesting. Even a door that you can lock from the inside. Nice. That's all as far as restrooms they have on property. And besides the sites that I'm going to show you here in a minute, that's about all there is as far as amenities. You're not going to find pickleball here. Ooh, shade, nice. I can see. You're not going to find pickleball here yet, although I did encourage the owner to install 2 pickleball courts, and they have room. I'm just saying they've got room for that. But anyway, we'll see. She might find it feasible to do that. I told her, put pickleball courts in here, you'll fill it pretty quick. Maybe justify adding extra sites. Also, let's see, there's no activities room. You're not going to find putt-putt. You're not going to find any of that. This is really a great overnight stay, as we're probably using it for here just off I-25, because we're heading from, I guess if you're going to Denver, Colorado to, say, Albuquerque, New Mexico, you'll probably come this way, I-25 south. We're actually heading north on this one here, but let's take a look. They do have trash dumpsters, look like that right there. Not much else to show you here except for the sites themselves. So let's go to one of the sites and I'll show you what their box looks like. And here is a standard site. So this is, that one there just might be a pull through. Okay, so let's look through here. So you got a picnic table that they kind of share between sites. So if you want to get here early, you can maybe a picnic table. City sewer, that's your water right there. Yeah, they got one of those funny little pump things, but they work great, let me tell you. This one here has got 50 and 30, which is just like mine, and of course your 110. So they're all in good condition. They're not leaning over. The tops aren't broken off all of them. So, and you can see over here, they don't have any lights on any of these. That one or that one. Some of those are back ends. This is actually a pull-through side right here, and that's about all I can show you here. But let me see what else I can find. Well, this looks like a maintenance shed. Looks like they've got some extra pieces, probably furniture and stuff people are throwing away. We used to have one of these at our other, and I recommend this to RV parks. I wish they would do this. Put something like this so people that live in the park can donate. Because if I'm looking for a chair while I'm staying here, it'd be great to pull a chair out of there and me use one of those at my site, and then I don't have to use my folding chair or worry about a chair getting stolen on my property because I'm getting it free anyway. And when I get done with it, I can just bring it back here. But I like that we used to have something like that at our other park. Some of the stuff was broken, but some of it worked just great. I actually got my bicycle from a spot like this. My bicycle holder that was on the back of my RV that holds my bicycle. We've gotten chairs, tables. I actually got a table and chairs for the inside of my RV also from an area like this. you never know what people are going to throw away. If it wasn't in good shape, I wouldn't have kept it. They've also got a storage here. They've also got a wandering cat. Kitty. Oh, that cat sees something. It's going to go after it. Probably residents here, not part of the park. They got some more storage back here. And this is the back end of the park on this end. Our camp host is in that first RV way up there. And he says he's been working here for years. That's what you have at this park. So I do have some bonus material. So let me jump in here real quick. A couple of things. Wish my fan wasn't running, but it is. The park itself, it was level. So it was level to get in. It was easy to maneuver in. Didn't have any problems with any sharp turns. There was the tree right there at my site was a little, it wasn't a huge tree, so the limbs were kind of tough. So I basically had to center my RV in the site. Instead of pushing it to one side like you like to do, like to push it to one side so that you got room when you walk out instead of 5 steps and you're in the neighbor's yard. So that's one thing. But the Wi-Fi was good, and I got service there, and Subway was a bicycle ride up the street, and also the place directly next door, maybe 50 yards away, between the RV park and the Subway, there was a place that you could get propane, and they opened up at 8 o'clock, so you could either exchange a container, or there was a big place you could pull your RV in there. It was a great place to get propane. I think it was $3.25 when I was here, so it wasn't half bad. So if you're looking for a park, you need a place to stay, and you're on I-25, come on down to this park. I don't have a problem with this park. It's a little noisy because the interstate's not too far, but your rear window's up and you can't really tell it. So I don't think we're having too much problem with it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other RV review videos if you'd like. And maybe if you own a park or are looking for a park, you could look for parks that have these kind of amenities. This was basically no frills, but it's all gravel. There's no concrete pads of any type like that. And I will say this, Wi-Fi is good here. They've actually got free Wi-Fi for the whole park. It works just fine. I don't have any problem with it. My T-Mobile system works great. Don't have any problem with it. So I'm actually watching Pluto TV on my T-Mobile. So it's great. AT&T seems to be working here, which is what I'm on my phone. I would imagine the rest of them work just fine. So small community. There's some restaurants and stuff here in the area. Dollar General store, that type of thing. So anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you on down the road, because I'm just out here living the coolest life, as you can see from behind my bike. RV Park Review Edition.